Toddler Buddies!
Look! A mystery box! Something is moving inside. Wait, did you hear that? Who says moo?
Ha!
Do you know who it is? Tell us! It's a cow. Moo! Hello, Mr. Cow. You are so silly. Look, there's something else inside. That was a big roar. Is it a kitty cat? I think it's a lion. Roar! Roar! It's a brave little lion.
Wow!
You are so strong, Mr. Lion. Marching like lions.
Roar, roar, roar!
It quacked. Wait. The box is spinning. And it quacked. Who quacks and swims in the water? It's a duck. Quack, quack. We found so many friends today. One more surprise. What could it be? Balloons. So many colors. Which animal was your favorite? The cow, the lion, or the duck? Thanks for playing the Mystery Box game with us.
Click the button to see our next adventure.
Like, share, and subscribe to Toddler Buddies for new fun videos.